Hi guys and welcome. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I will be sharing with you my morning cleaning routine. I am starting to get back into swing of things because the school is about to start and I wanted to give myself a week or so just to get back into it. So I like to start my morning with a workout and then I come upstairs and open up my blinds, open up the window while I still can when it's not too dark, and then I move on to making my bed. I think it's so important to have your bed made every morning because it's a great start to your day, and I feel like I have accomplished the first thing that I set out to do. I also want to mention I had gotten some new pillows from a company called Bed Story, and I have gotten two large king size pillows. I am trying one and one my son was trying. I've gotten them about 2 weeks ago and I have to say I'm quite impressed. They are supposed to be for any type of sleeper. They are washable, they are alternative filling, hypoallergenic. They rest easy, they're breathable mesh 3-dimensional design for optimum comfort. They increase the speed of airflow in their pillows to feel more breathable and comfortable. And I also mentioned that they're hypoallergenic, durable, and machine washable, and they have 1-year warranty. And like I said, I found them very comfortable. I often find that pillow is what makes your sleeping, how you sleep, and if you sometimes wake up with back pains or shoulder pains, it most likely is due to a pillow. So finding the right pillow is very important. I am going to leave you a link down to these pillows so you can check them out, and there's also a 10% off discount for you if you choose to order one for yourself. You can get them on Amazon. So just make sure you go through the link to get the 10% off and use the code that's provided down below. So moving on, like I said, I enjoy making the bed because it makes me feel like I have accomplished the first thing that I set out to. Then I move on to cleaning up some clothes. There's always tons of clothes all over the floor, so I like to put them away. Some need to go into laundry, some back into the closet. I brought up my purse, so I will be switching out my summer purse to my fall purse shortly, so I just brought it up just so I can do that later on today. And then I'm going to also tidy up my vanity because there's just makeup all over the place. You would think I put makeup on a regular basis, but I don't with the amount of makeup that's out on my vanity. So then I move on to tidying up the bathroom, and this has become a favorite spot for my dog to sleep. And so there's still some start of some hair because he's shedding hair, but most of the mess is caused by myself and my husband in here. So I just pick up dirty clothing, maybe some towels that I want to wash, and just put things away. And then I give the bathroom a quick wipe down just with wet microfiber cloth, and then I give a toilet a swooshing. And it was also Wednesday when I was recording this, and the next day is garbage day, so I did empty out the garbage as well. And once the bathroom was all finished, I moved on to doing some laundry. I always like to do a load per day. I just think it keeps the laundry from getting out of control. My kids usually, they're supposed to empty the dryer for me, so that way in the mornings when I do switch laundry, the dryer is empty. It doesn't always happen, but this time around it was empty. I put out, I was switching out darks, and I usually hang all the t-shirts, shirts, and if I have some Lululemon pants, I will hang them dry, and the rest of the stuff I will dry in a dryer. I have started this laundry routine a while back, and it truly works. Having that one load per day done, it does keep it under control. Yes, there are times where things, if I'm switching beddings or if we've gone away, there's more laundry than usual, but on normal weekly basis, doing a load per day does help. Today I was actually going to wash my daughter's running shoes, so that was the only thing that I put in the washing machine to wash. So I did put another load later that day, just because I felt like I wasn't truly doing a load of laundry. Well, I hope you enjoyed this morning routine clean with me video. After this, I usually go down, have breakfast, and get my day started for the daycare kids. So whatever is involved in that. If that's something that you are interested in seeing, let me know down in the comments, and I can share that video as well. And don't forget to check out the pillows, link down below if you are in search of a great pillow. So until next time, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm currently in the process of decorating my home for fall, so there's tons of fall clean and decorate with me. So until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.